My name is Nikki Morelli, and I'm owner of Seven Seeds, which is a CP firm, primarily a business development company. I would just like to talk a little bit about the program, the Business Credit Builder .US program, led by Mr. Noel Booker. I actually attended, and I'm really impressed. I'm impressed with the wealth of information that him and his organization has provided to us. We're regionally located right now in Atlanta, Georgia. There are several individuals that make promises that they will provide you the right information and then turn around and oversell you. Mr. Booker him and his team has done something that I'm completely impressed by, which is still using your heart to do business. That's what impressed me. Him and his team didn't hold back any relevant information where we could go out on our own. But then they also provided the professionalism that's needed for us to understand what we have available to us. Essentially, like I said in my company, if you could fathom it, it's feasible. And with Business Credit Builder US, if you could fathom it, it's definitely feasible.
Thank you.
Yeah.